The Ring Battery Doorbell Pro, when paired with the Ring Chime Pro, offers an exceptional smart home security solution. This combination provides an advanced and reliable way to monitor your home's perimeter. The Doorbell Pro, with its sleek design, easily integrates into any home's exterior, offering a discreet yet powerful surveillance tool. One of its standout features is the long-lasting battery, which ensures uninterrupted performance, a significant upgrade from traditional wired doorbells. The Chime Pro, a crucial component, acts as a bridge, ensuring you never miss a notification. It amplifies the doorbell's chime, making it ideal for larger homes or those with multiple levels. The setup process is remarkably simple, and the app-based configuration ensures a hassle-free experience. The app itself is user-friendly, providing an intuitive interface to manage your security system. The motion sensors on the Doorbell Pro are highly sensitive, detecting even the slightest movements, and the two-way talk feature allows for convenient communication, making it an excellent tool for home surveillance and communication. The video quality is exceptional, providing clear and detailed footage, day or night, thanks to its advanced camera and infrared technology. Additionally, the Ring ecosystem offers a range of features, including real-time alerts, customizable settings, and the ability to review past footage, adding an extra layer of security and peace of mind. The system's compatibility with other smart home devices further enhances its appeal, creating a comprehensive and integrated smart home experience. In conclusion, the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro, coupled with the Chime Pro, is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking a reliable, feature-rich, and easy-to-use smart home security solution. It offers an unparalleled level of convenience, security, and peace of mind, making it a top choice for modern homeowners.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.